Good morning, students. Welcome to my channel Pipasa Patsala. Today we will write an English essay on the bicycle. The bicycle. All of us have seen the bicycle. It is an old vehicle in our country. It is a medium of communication. In 1842, Macmillan invented bicycle. It is made of steel and rubber. It has two wheels, two pedals, a handlebar, a bell, a carrier, and a seat. Each wheel has a tire, a tube, and spokes. It has no engine. It doesn't pollute the environment. The rider sits on the seat and moves the pedals by feet. The rider rings the bell in crowd. Bicycle is a friend of us. Cycling is a good exercise. This is all about the essay The Bicycle. Thank you.